In this video, I want to show you how to create a sudo user and password for passwordless communication, and after that I'll show you the Ansible Adhoc command, how to use it to install package or start service in a remote machine. So I have created 4 EC2-Instance in AWS. One machine I'm taking as an Ansible controller, then the 3 machines I'm taking as a host machine and remote host, and I will install the HTTP and GIT and MySQL in these host machines. So here is my mobile external. I already have login Ansible. As you can see, Ansible is already installed here. So I already have logged in as a root user. Now I will add user as laptop is already exist. Okay, then I will give password for laptop. Done. Then now I will include it into the sudo urs file. So here I will add laptop to give the sudo permission. So I have added, and I will include it into I will have to configure SSD config file. Here I'll have to comment the passwordless authentication. This is already uncommented and this one is already commented, so it's okay. Now I will restart service, restart SSD service. Okay, it is done. Now I'll have to go to the host machine, the remote host machine. I will log in an EC2 user, then I will set the root user, then user add same user I will have to create, then password for laptop I'll have to create the same password you give PC password. Okay, mistake. Okay, it is done. Now I will add it in the sudo urs file. So here I will add this laptop user to give to the permission. Okay, now I will edit the etc ssh config file for passwordless communication. Here already I have uncommented, and this one is commented by default. This one will be uncommented and this one will be commented, so I have uncommented this password authentication to yes and commented this one. Okay, now system cd and SSC is done. Now I'll go to the next machine, log in as EC2 user, then choose it password root user, then you add laptop, then password for laptop, create the same password. Okay, done. Then sudo urs file, include that laptop. Okay, yeah, include laptop user. Done. Then pi ptc ssh config file. Here I will have to uncomment it. It's already done. Okay. So now I will go to the last host machine user, then root user, then add the password for the password done into the URS file, include that laptop user. Okay, user included. Then I will teach EC2-Instance config file. Here I will have to uncomment and comment the passwordless authentication. Here you see the password authentication is by default, it will be uncommented, and I will have to comment it, and this one I will have to uncomment password authentication to yes. Okay, now system CL restored done. Now I'll go to the Ansible controller machine. Here I will log in as a laptop user. You can see cd etc Ansible. Inside this Ansible folder, we have this host file and the Ansible config file and the roles. In host file, I will have to use sudo vi host. So here I will have to include the IPs of the host machine. So one host already added, I think. Anyway, I will go and take the public IPs. Okay, from 50 IP 50. Okay, paste here. Then the second IP, public IP. Okay, this one is already included anyway. I will not include it. Okay, then third IP is this one. Paste it. Okay, I have included the IPs. Now Ansible -m Ansible all hyphen. Okay, I will clear this, clear it. Then I will use the Adhoc command to check my connection is okay or not. It is not okay because I have not created the SSH key. SSH key, and I like to include the SSH key into all the machines. So I have created the SSH key with the help of SSH key. Just put enter, enter, and enter. Then it will be created. Now I will copy the SSH key to laptop user and give the IP of the host machine. Put the IP, enter. Now yes, that password that I have created. Okay, you can see the number of key added is 1. So SSH, this public RSA key, is copied to the host machine. Now I will do the same thing to the second host. Here, change the IP and paste it. Yes, password. Okay, done. Then use the first host public IP. Change the IP here. Okay, enter. Then done. Okay, so number of key is copied to this. Now clear the screen. Now I will check I can add to ping or not all my remote machines from the Ansible machine. So Ansible power -m ping. You can see So I can able to log ping the remote host. Okay, now I will install here. The -m means module. There are many modules in Ansible, so I will use a young module argument. Here I will put name git state present. So before that, I will check the git is present or not in Ansible, in host machine. Person is not present. Here also the person not present. Here also person not present. Now I will see. Okay, so I will have to use -b is for become user, then I can ask become password. So become password is the same password I have created. Okay, now Ansible will try to communicate with the host machine, and it will install git package into all the machines. So it has already installed git in all the remote host. If it is the color of the output is yellow, then it has success installation. So see here now git version. So git is installed here. Here also check git is already installed, and here also check git version. Okay, sorry, git version, yeah. So it is already installed. Now I'll try another service like HTTP array service. I'll try to install it. Password. Okay, so it is installed. Now I'll try to start it, the HTTP service. For that I'll have to use service module. Okay, already installed. Here that's where I think is HTTP version HTTP ID. It's already running now. Okay, so service is started in all the machines. HTTP service is started. Okay, now service status HTTP sudo. Okay, service HTTP status. Okay, you can see that service is running. Now I will try to see if I can able to access it or not. I will open the port. Download. enable all TCP. Okay. Okay, I will try to access the HTTP service from the HTTP server from my browser. It is taking time. Now I will go and take the IP. So HTTP service. So I'll take the public IP of the HTTP server where I have opened the port, all port I have opened. Okay, here put it, and the port number is 80 and 443. So now you can see that I can able to access the HTTP server from browser. That's all for now. Thank you.